Hello folks, so in this video I just wanted to give a small thing about lending money. So I had done one more video about lending in general and lending ID card launch. Lending money is an important decision and I wouldn't take it lightly if I'm lending money. Especially when you're lending something more than you wouldn't generally consider a small amount or a small value of money. Especially when you are like, say, for me 1,000 is an okay money. Let's say 10,000 is a bit more than okay, and then 1 lakh is surely a lot of money. 1 lakh Indian rupees. So if I'm lending that much money to someone, then it's a very big amount according to me, and I would be very careful about lending that much amount of money to that person, be it a relative and whatnot. Because see, when you lend money, you're not some bank, right? Usually people lend money to, say, people they know, and the people who are trying to get money or get a loan from a friend or whatever are basically usually probably getting it because they don't want to pay interest. So they probably will give it later, or they might not be able to give it also. You have no real way to say they'll surely give it and whatnot, right? And you really don't have things like security unless you're like officially giving, and you're very serious about lending money and all, and you lend to many people with like contracts and security and whatnot, which not many people generally do, right? Not everyone is some sort of like professional lender or some financial company or organization and all of some sorts. Banks and financial organizations, of course, they lend money, but individuals, not all of them lend money. So if you're someone who doesn't lend in general and all, if you're trying to get the money back, remember that people are not going to pay some interest and all to you, right? So try to get your money as soon as possible, especially if you're not going to get interest, because inflation rate is just going to keep increasing. And if you had just given that amount of money to some bank in your savings bank account or fixed deposit, or if you had just put it in some, say, stocks, in stocks, if you put the money, the principal can also go away. Like if you put 10,000, it can also become 5,000. You can lose money and all. Same for mutual funds and whatnot. But if you can put it in some risk-free environment, the principal will stay the same. Maybe you might get some amount of money if you invest it, or you can just save it. And you'll get some small interest, right? But if you just lend it to someone, you might not get it back at all, and you'll surely probably not get the interest unless you talk it out beforehand. So be careful if you're going to lend money, and understand that they're most probably not going to pay you interest unless you spoke about it, and then they're like, I'll pay you with interest. Then maybe talk about how much interest, because people outside, say companies and whatnot, ask interest depending on credit score and whatnot, how much the person can pay and whatnot, and they usually have security and whatnot. And someone, if say a friend is trying to get money, they're probably trying to get money because they want less rate of interest and all that. Well, they are just trying to be smart. You decide what you want to be. That's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.